Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn our second lesson in this video. Okay, before that, hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Okay, pray God that soon we have to meet all together. The situations come to the normal life. Okay, so we'll start the class now. This is our second lesson, chapter 2, exploring windows. Okay, exploring windows. That detailedly we are going to learn about the windows. Detailedly we are going to learn windows. Okay. First thing that we are going to learn is my computer. Okay, my computer. My computer can be compared with a bookshelf that has shelf in which we can store books, folders and papers. So many things we can store. To open my computer, double click on this icon and on the desktop the my computer program window appears. Actually it is like a bookshelf. Okay, it is like a bookshelf. Whatever you keep there in the shelf, you have to just open the bookshelf door and you have to pick it. The same way, the in computer there is a icon called my computer. You have to double click it to see the files and folders whatever you kept inside. Okay, how the after clicking the computer, my computer, this is how the computer will display your folders. You can see these are the folders. Okay, these are the folders and these are the hard disk, how many disk you have, and these are the CD drives. Okay, the CD drives you have. So this is how the computer will show you all the informations what you have in your desktop. Okay, then the program displays the content of the computers and other hardware details. This means what? The program, as soon as you click on the my computer icon, it will show you picture. In the picture, what information you will get? You will get the hardware numbers and folder numbers. All the details you will get in the picture. Okay, then you can see files. I told you there will be folder, there will be file. I'm telling you, right? So what you may ask me, what is folder, what is file? You will ask me, right? Folder is nothing but the file collection. Folder is nothing but the file collection. Then you will ask me, what is file? That's a good question. Actually, file, everything whatever you see under the folder is file. A file can be a document file, a file can be a excel file, and a file it can be presentation file. Okay, types, there are many types of files, but file is a collection of information. That's what I can tell you. File is a collection of information. Every file will give you some information. Okay, it contains text, pictures, numbers, sound, or combinations of all. A file is identified by its name. By its name. For example, national leaders means what? Means the information you have about the national leaders in this file. Okay, so the file contains the information what the file is giving you. Related to that, the name will be there. Okay, so depending upon the file name, you can assume that what kind of information the file has. Okay, so that is there. The file name has three parts, namely file name, a dot, and the extension. Okay, the file name, a dot, and the extension. So if you look at this national leader doc, you can see here this national leader is a file name. Okay, and there is a dot, this is the second part, and doc doc, this is the third part. So how many parts? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 parts in the file names. Okay, the file names gives dot and the extent. The file name is a name given to a file. Okay, the name, it is not that it is choosing on its own. It is that we are giving relate it to the information. Okay, depending upon the information what I have in the file, depending on that information I'm choosing one particular name and giving it to it. Okay, here the extension doc indicates that it is a document file created using MS Word application. The dot separates the file name and the extension. Okay, this you can see here in the file name there is a dot. The dot actually, this dot only separates the file name and the extension. Okay, so the doc means you can understand it is a document file. National leader means you can understand the information related to national leaders. Okay, so this dot separates the type of file and the name of file. Okay, the dot separates a file and the extension. Some of the common file extensions are, what are the extensions? You can see a doc. Doc is a documented file that is created by MS Word application. Then you can see .bmp. Bmp is a paint application. Then you can see JPG, it's a extension of picture file. Then you can see GIF, okay, that is extension of animated file. Then you can see wave, WAV, that is extension of sound files. Okay, only audio file. So these are the types of files. Okay, these are the 5 types of the files. Okay, you can, by seeing the extension you can identify which type of file it is, what type of file it is. Okay, then as I told you, what is folder? It's a what is file? File is a collection of information. Then what is folder? It is a collection of files. That's it. When different files are grouped under one name, then it is called a folder. Okay, so it is a collection. It is a collection of files. A folder consists of files and the subfolder. Furthermore, folders also can be stored under one folder. Okay, then what is drives? What is drive? The hard disk in the computer system can be divided into 2, 3 or many partition, and they are called drives. Okay, now I have a big large memory possessed hard disk. Okay, so I can divide it into as many parts I want to. I can divide it, and for every division I have to name it. So all the divisions will be called as drives. Okay, drive is a storage area in the hard disk where files, folders and application programs are stored. Okay, these many things can be stored in the drives. Okay, hope you all would have understood. Then the drives are displayed with the hard disk symbol along with its name, usually named as a local disk, CDEF, like that you can see here. Okay, these are all local disk, means the hard disk is there inside your CPU. That's why it is called as local disk. Otherwise it will show you removable disk. Externally, if I'm inserting some pen drive, if I'm inserting some CD disk, then it will show me removable disk. But here it is showing local disk, means it is the partition of hard disk. The hard disk is there present inside the CPU. Okay, so you all would have understood about this. Next, devices and removable storage. Okay, just now I told you what is removable. Externally, if I use any drives, okay, like any pen drive or CD drive, so these are all called as removable. Okay, other hardware components, okay, if any attached to the computer, will also be shown in my computer window. For example, CD drive, DVD drive, pen drive, mobile phone devices, etc. By double clicking on any of this icon, we can access its content. Okay, so up to this I have taught you in this video. In this video you have learnt what is my computer, what is there inside my computer, and what and all it shows. Okay, and what is file and what is folder, what is local disk and what is removable disk, removable storage, and all you have learned. Okay, probably in next video we will continue this lesson. We will continue this lesson in the next video. Okay, till that I'll take leave, and before leaving I would like to pass only one information, that how to maintain your classwork. Write only the question answers in your classwork, rest all in your textbook. Okay, just write only the question answers in your classwork, rest all should be in your textbook. Okay, so that's all kids for this class. We'll meet in next class. Okay, bye.